What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 4 decentralized exchanges on Cardano blockchain. I'm going to start with the Muesli Swap because this was one of the first exchanges that launched on Cardano. And in here, if you're going to go to muesliswap.com, this is what you're going to be presented with, and then you can press on trade now. Then it's going to take you to this page. And for example, let's choose some kind of token here. Let's say Husky or Sunday. And then as you can see right here, this is order book based platform, but also they have instant swap. So if you press on swap beta, you can press on instant swap, and then right here you're going to be able to use like a regular AMM DEX. At the same time, this instant swap works as aggregator. It checks all of the decentralized exchanges, and then it will provide you with the best pricing. And also, if you go back to swap, they have limit swap. You can set up limit order here. So it's going to be similar to centralized exchange. The next one on my list is Sunday Swap. Sunday Swap was first AMM DEX on Cardano blockchain. So if you go to sundayswap.finance, you can press on enter app, and then it's going to take you to this page right here. We can connect our wallet. This is all the wallets that they support. Put a check mark right here and then press on naming. That's what I'm going to be using, and then access. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see every single option that they're offering. And since I have ADA handle and recognize, and I can press on it, and it's going to show my ADA handle right here in the top right corner. Then right here on the home screen, you're going to be able to see every single pair that they offer. You can press on more, and then you can either swap, provide liquidity. Then there's a swap option. This is just a regular swap option. So you choose one token here, and then you choose another token here, and then set amount, and then you can make a swap. Then you can provide liquidity here, orders, if you have any ongoing orders, or if you have any previous orders here, you can view your history here, and then queue. Currently at the moment there is nothing in a queue, but for example, if it's going to be a busy time and there's going to be a lot of order, you're going to be able to see how many orders in a queue. The next one on my list is Mint Swap. Mint Swap was launched right after Sunday Swap, and if we go here, we can press on enter app. It's going to take us to this screen. Mint Swap provides extra data. For example, TVL, this is how much they have locked up, and then volume trade, and then at the same time you can see every pair here. Same thing right here. If you press on trade, also they just recently added this graph right here. So this is candlestick chart, so that way you can see what's the current price, for example, from ADA to Mint Swap. And if you change token here, this is going to change over here as well. Let's say, for example, let's choose copy. This is the copy price at the moment. Then we can press on liquidity. There is liquidity pool, every single pool, and then you can add liquidity if you would like to provide. Then there's also farm option. And if you press on farm, right here, if you're going to provide liquidity, then you'll receive LP tokens and you can farm over here. And right here, you'll find APR for each pair. And then same thing, orders. Previously, I made a couple swaps here. As you can see, I was providing some liquidity and I was getting LP tokens, and then I traded back. And if you press on this little caret, you're going to be able to see more data when that order was performed. And last DEX is Wing Riders. Wing Riders is one of the latest DEX that was introduced to Cardano blockchain. And right here, we can press on enter app. Same thing, we can connect our wallet. Each DEX has pretty similar features and options, but some things are different, especially with the Wing Riders. Wing Riders, they're offering stable coins. So for example, let's choose ADA, and then right here, you can scroll down, and as you can see, they're offering MED-USDT and MED-USDC. So this is pretty cool. The other DEXs don't have any stable coins yet, but this one does. And also this one has different staking system or rewarding system when you're farming and providing liquidity and staking your LP tokens here. And this is pretty much it. I just showed you my 4 favorite DEXs on Cardano, and I already made a video about how to use each DEX separately. I'm going to leave those links in the description below, and I'm going to leave links to every DEX in the description below as well. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.